Hey y'all, welcome back to Fixaholic number one. Today I'm doing this valve cover gaskets on this 2013 Honda Accord. It's going to be a short video. Uh, what I took loose. Let me show you what I took loose. On this side, the only thing I took loose was this little green plug, this hose on the back side, and unplugged that thing right here. And on the front side, I unplugged this, undone this, which is up here. I tied it to the hood, and you can open that hood. You ain't got to go to the first latch. Right there's my first latch. You can open your hood all the way down to this second latch, and your hood is more straight up, give you more room under the hood. But here's my plug. My car packs. This PS stands for passenger side. This DS stands for the driver's side. Right here's all that I got off. And now I'm over here. I'm doing this up. I'm putting these new seals in. And I'll be done here in a little bit. Again, I took my battery post loose before I took loose the alternator. And I tied that back. I put a PC pipe on here. And I tied this hose back that I took off the back side. I just tied it back with this thing here. Okay, that's all I got to show you. And I'm going to get back to work. Okay, y'all, I'm all done. And let me just give you a quick rundown on what I had to take loose. Right here, the only thing I took loose on this side, it's a green plug. I took that loose. On the back side, back in here, right under here, there's a hose that I took loose on the back side. Then let me get my light set. Okay. I took this loose. My alternator, that's my hot alternator plug. I took this loose. Down in here, I took that little blue plug loose. And then this right here, it just pops up. And back here, I took this hose loose. Undone that clamp right there. Pulled this back. And I tied it back to this. And I took my negative battery poster loose. And I put a PC pipe over it. And that's pretty much all that I took loose. Then, of course, as you've seen in the video, I had all this off. Had the cover off. Right here, the valve cover. And the gasket is right in here. And as you can see, there's no oil. And that's pretty much all that I had to take loose. You know, I watched videos and some guys, I'm not saying my way is the right way, but my way worked for me. And like I said, I just took that green thing loose, the green plug, the brown one on the alternator. That's a hot lead. Down here to the air conditioner, the blue plug. I unplugged this plug here. I took that loose and tied it back out the way. And then all this, I had all this off. And then, that's pretty much all, that I had to take loose. The hardest part was just taking all these bolts out, which wasn't really hard, but I didn't have to unplug a whole lot over here. I didn't have to unplug but one plug over here, this plug and that plug, and the blue one down at the bottom. And then that side, I didn't have to unplug nothing else except for the hose back here in the back. Okay, I hope this video helped you out. Like, comment, and subscribe. You got any comments, drop it down in the comment section below, and I will get back to you. Thank you. God bless you, and have a blessed day.